Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So today's video is going to be a full 360 of the progress of me doing 3 things to help promote healthy hair growth, which is drinking plenty of water, taking fenugreek supplements, in addition to using the Miel strengthening hair oil. Y'all, so I'm showing you from sections. So this side has grown tremendously. It's definitely growing out of that taper haircut look. The same with the other side, as you can see there. I am twisting each side just to get the hair out of the way so you all can really see the progress. Of course, you guys have seen my bang, which has grown out a lot as well. So I'm really pleased and happy with that progress. So this is the crown of my head that I'm going to share with you all. It looks fuller, it looks thicker, it looks healthier since I have combed out those locks and growing my hair back out of the tapered look. Also, there's the back there, you guys. Y'all know that that's a work in progress. That is my section of focus. All of my hair is on my head, but definitely the nape of my hair, because I've gone through a lot back there when I took down those locks. So definitely trying to grow that back out. So I hope this video was helpful. See you tulips in the next one. Smooches.